received this strange looking package, but it's a cat bed in here from Aliexpress. Okay, inside the package it looks like this. So this was wrapped up real tight, and it comes obviously in a bag, and this is before me unpoofing it. I thought this was going to be way smaller. I did ask for a larger size, but this is good. Okay, so this is like a cat's nest. In the photo, this part is sticking up. It's got little ears, got a little tail. It's got a very good cushion. But I don't know if they're going to want to crawl in there or not. But even if they sleep on top, that's okay too. It's actually better made than the one I got from Amazon, except, it's got a cave. Not all cats are going to like that, but we'll see what happens. So for now, I put it on their cat perch. I'm just going to see if anybody goes inside of it. I had to put him inside of it, but once I did, he seemed to be really comfortable and enjoyed it. I used the flash, so it's not the best picture.